Hello guys, welcome to YouTube series of data science and machine learning. So we were doing Python and previously we learned about recursive and lambda function, and today we are going to learn about modules. Modules is a very important topic. It's easy but it's important for future purposes. We need to import modules. Modules are nothing but a Python libraries, Python code of Python written previously by some other people or some experts, which we can use in our code. Okay, so importing that module or that code is very important. And this is how we import. We just call import and example. We imported an example. Okay, example dot add 10 to 20. This is nothing to be learned. This is just a add function, and this is what we need to learn. We are importing an example module. There is a module or there is a bunch of code, of lines of code written, which is called example and which we are importing. It is written by some else experts only, and we are importing in our code. Okay, so this is important. We import math. Okay, math is just real math. Okay, and we print math dot py. This is how we use any module or any function in a module. In that module we are importing pi as a function, which is 3.145. This is easy. Now we are importing date and time. So this is date and time, which will just return date and time. So so you can see importing is pretty easy. Just we write import and module name. Now we can change the import name when a module's name is too big and we use multiple time in a code. We can just change it by using as, and we write what we want to call it. So we name math as m. Okay, so now we can use m dot py to import pi. Okay, that was pretty easy, I guess. So from date and time, import date and time. So from a module we can import certain functions. So this is date and time module, so we are importing from date and time. We are importing date and time. There will be some another functions which we can call, but this is just an example. Okay, and now from math import star. Star means everything in the module, every line of code in that module will be here, and you can import anything. Pi, lambda, whatever will be in this math, you can use it. But when you only write import from math import pi, you can only use pi, you cannot use another functions. Okay, and dir is just tells the functions which we can use and everything. And this tells example dot add dot doc tells dot underscore underscore doc underscore underscore tells us what we can do with this function. Okay, so this programs add two numbers returns result. Okay, so this was modules. It was pretty easy, just importing a line. No much, no skills required. Okay, so now packages is another thing. We can use import. This is some higher versions and we might learn it, but this is just to give a experience of view for packages. We can import packages by writing this import nltk dot stopword. Stopword is a package in stopword is a function or a package in nltk. So this is not something. This is very high level. So you can just math dot pi. You can do this also. Import math dot pi. So this is not correct syntax. This will give an error. But I am just telling you that this is how packages work. We can use import module name and dot any function in it, and this is how packages work. Module and dot package. We use dot as an operator to import modules from packages using dot operator. Okay, so packages and modules are simply easy, just a one line of code. Okay, so I knew it will give an error. Mat.py is nothing. So okay, this is what modules and packages were all about. Just importing modules and codes of other people or experts, which Python already has in its library. Okay, so if you have any doubts in this, please do comment in comment section, and thank you.